Here is a quick review of the teleprompter pad. So you can see I've had this teleprompter for now few months, and you can see it's really good. So you can see the text right there. My camera is positioned in the back. Overall, it's a pretty sturdy teleprompter. I'm really happy with it. And you can see the way I attached it to my tripod is I screwed on this element right here. I just have to position it underneath like this. Boom, it's in place, and there you have it. The teleprompter is on the tripod, and if we go where I record and we look at it right here, very good. It also comes with this remote, so you can turn it on, and then if you look at the teleprompter, it's going to connect, and then if I just hit one button, the text is going to start rolling. Then I can pause it, I can go back, I can skip ahead, I can go back again, I can make the size bigger or smaller, the text size with this button right here. So overall, I would say that this is a good teleprompter and I would recommend it.